Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will discuss something that is very important for us to pay attention to together, namely the discussion of mental health. Mental health, according to WHO, is a person's state of well-being. When a person realizes his or her abilities, is able to manage stress and adapt well, can work productively, and contribute to the environment. A person can be said to be mentally healthy when he feels well psychologically, emotionally, and socially. To discuss further about mental health, here I am not alone. Here I have been accompanied by several of my friends who may be aware of this mental health issue, namely is Pandu, Syahril, and Rio. First of all, I want to ask Pandu about mental health. According to Pandu, why do we have to be aware of mental health issues? Please, Pandu.
All I would like to thank Rafli for inviting us to discuss and study something very important for us to pay attention to together, namely mental health. In my opinion, mental health is something that really needs to be considered because mental health is related to physical health. Mental health is better ability to recover from illness. They have a positive view of themselves. So in the process of development.
Okay, thank you to Pandu for the opinion. Next, I want to ask Syahril, what do you think causes someone to be aware of mental health issues?
Okay, please, friends. Thank you for the invitation. This is a very interesting discussion for you to discuss regarding what someone can be aware of mental health problems because someone often hears or reads stories about people with mental disorders. The people with mental disorders need to be cared for and treated differently because they are vulnerable to certain things so that a person becomes concerned about people with mental disorders.
Okay, thank you for the opinion, Syahril. Next, I want to ask Rio regarding what was conveyed by Syahril that a person can be aware of mental health issues because he often hears stories about people who have mental disorders. Then my question is whether people who read or hear these stories can get mental disorders.
Okay, of course, you can. I think mental disorders can be suffered by anyone, whether it's a rich person or a poor person, whether it's people from a good environment or not. Even people who look fine can get mental.
Okay, thank you for your opinion, Rio. I agree with what Rio said. The people who look fine can get mental disorders. Next, I want to ask you, Pandu, Rio, and Syahril, what types of mental disorders do you understand the most? Please explain. Okay, please.
Okay, maybe from me first. The type of mental disorder that I understand the most is post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. This disorder is a disorder characterized by failure the recover after experience or witnessing a horrific event. The condition can last months or years, with triggers that can bring back memories of the trauma accompanied by intense emotional and physical reactions.
Okay, so from me, the type of mental disorders that I understand the most is depression. Maybe depression is the most common mental disorder we encounter. Depression is a mood disorder, a prolonged emotional condition that behaving a person who is depressed shows feelings of helplessness and loss of hope, accompanied by feelings of sadness, loss of interest, and joy.
Okay, so from me, the type of mental disorder that I understand the most is bipolar. Bipolar is a disorder associated with mood swings ranging from high or manic. The exact cause of bipolar disorder is unknown, but a combination of genetics, environment, and altered brain structure and chemistry.
Okay, there are so many different kinds of mental disorders that you understand. This indicates that these mental disorders are every deserve. Okay, thanks to all of you, Pandu, Rio, and Shahril, who have been willing to take the time to discuss. Maybe this is all we can discuss. Once again, thank you for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks, Rafli.
You're welcome, guys.
Yes.
Udah beres.
Siap, siap. Thank you, thank you.